Higher order derivatives are the second and subsequent derivatives. For example, f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 6x minus 12. First derivative, y prime is equal to 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10x minus 6. Second derivative, y prime is equal to 12x squared minus 12x plus 10. Third derivative, y prime is equal to 24x minus 12. Fourth derivative, y prime is equal to 24. Sum and difference rule. For example, f of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 7x squared minus 9x plus 21. Y prime is equal to 4 times 3x raised to 3 minus 1 plus 7 times 2x raised to 2 minus 1 minus 9 times x raised to 1 minus 1 plus 0. Y prime is equal to 12x squared plus 14x minus 9. Product rule. UV prime plus VU prime. Let U be the f of x, U prime be the f prime of x, V is equal to g of x, V prime is equal to g prime of x. For example, f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 times 4x plus 3 times 5x minus 1. You can distribute 2x plus 1 to 4x plus 3. Let your answer be 8x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 3 times 5x minus 1 is equal to 8x squared plus 10x plus 3 times 5x minus 1. Y prime is equal to 8x squared plus 10x plus 3 times 5 plus 5x minus 1 times 16x plus 10. Equals 40x squared plus 50x plus 15 plus 80x squared plus 50x minus 16x minus 10. Y prime is equals to 120x squared plus 84x plus 15. Quotient rule. VU prime minus UV prime over V squared. Let U be f of x, U prime f prime of x, V is equals to g of x, V prime is equals to g prime of x. For example, x cubed over 2x plus 3. Y prime is equals to 2x plus 3 times 3x raised to 3 minus 1 minus x cubed times 2 all over quantity of 2x plus 3 squared. Y prime is equal to 2x plus 3 times 3x squared minus 2x cubed all over quantity of 2x plus 3 squared. Y prime is equal to 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus 2x cubed all over quantity of 2x plus 3 raised to 2. Y prime is equal to 4x cubed plus 9x squared all over quantity of 2x plus 3 squared. You can factor out x. Y prime is equal to x quantity of 4x squared plus 9x all over quantity of 2x plus 3 squared. Derivatives of exponential function. For example, f of x is equal to 7e raised to x plus 14 raised to x. Y prime is equal to 7e raised to x plus 14 raised to x ln 14. For the second example, product rule applies. UV prime plus VU prime. F of x is equal to 5 raised to x times x squared plus x. y prime is equals to 5 raised to x times 2x plus 1 plus x times 5 raised to x ln 5 is equals to 2x 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x plus x squared 5 raised to x ln 5 plus x 5 raised to x ln 5. We can factor out 5 raised to x. Y prime is equals to 5 raised to x times 2x plus 1 plus x squared ln 5 plus x ln 5. Derivatives of trigonometric function. In this example, product rule applies. uv prime plus vu prime. For example, f of x is equals to 3 theta squared cos theta. Y prime is equals to 3 theta squared times negative sine theta plus cos theta times 6 theta. Y prime is equals to negative 3 theta squared sine theta plus 6 theta cos theta.
Sa pagsasolve ng optimization problems, may 4 na steps. First one, kailangan mo magawa ng diagram. Tapos sunod, equation. Tapos ide-derive mo yung equation. Tapos saka mo isa-solve. So sa diagram, sabi sa problem, a closed cylindrical tank daw. E di ito yung tank. Tapos meron daw siyang volume na 20 feet. So kapag cylindrical tank, meron ka dyang base. Meron kang top tsaka base. So, circle yon. Tapos, yung hinahanap is radius. So, may dalawang circle. So, yung volume ng circle is equals to pi r squared. Tapos, yung body ng tank, etong kaya nakuha tong 2 pi r kasi base, yung area ng base ng cylindrical tank is equal siya sa 2 pi r, which is yung area ng circle. Tapos yung height. Equation. So, yung pinaka-equation, volume is equals to pi r squared h. Pero, sabi nga, diba, dalawa yung circle. So, dalawa yung gagawin mong volume niya. So, magiging 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h. So, may given kang volume. So, 20 yung volume mo. Tas is equal to 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h. So, divide mo sila all over 2 mo para makancel sila. So, magiging sagot is 10 is equals to pi r squared plus pi r h. Tapos, hinahanap dito is yung h. So, para mahanap yung h, itatranspose mo yung r squared. So, magiging 10 minus pi r squared all over pi r para matira yung h. Tapos, may h ka na. Ipapasok mo siya sa pinaka-equation, which is v is equals to pi r squared h. So, volume is equals to pi r squared multiply yung h mo. Ano ba yung h mo? 10 minus pi r squared all over pi r. Tapos, so, di-divide mo sila ng pi r para makancel tong baba. Tsaka to. Tapos, may matitirang r. May isa. So, volume is equals to r multiply by 10 minus pi r squared. So, yun, ganun. Tapos, v is equals to 10 r is minus pi r cubed. Tapos, derive na natin yung nakuha nating equation, which is 10 minus 3 pi r squared. So, mayroon na tayong pinaka-formula. Hanapin na natin yung radius gamit to. So, equate natin yung 10 minus 3 pi r squared sa 0. So, transpose mo tong 3 pi r squared. So, magiging 10 over 3 pi. Since r squared siya, lagyan mo siya, square root mo siya para makancel. para matira yung r. So, r is equals to square root of 10 over 3 pi.